Hello guys and welcome to the Barn Revival. In today's episode, I will be doing lining in the barn. Then, I will have to empty the garage to remove the old flooring. But, unfortunately, most footage from lamp installation are gone. So I post what's left. Enjoy it. Yeah, I know. Before you comment that, I should run the wires through an electrical conduit. This is a temporary solution because it's impossible to work or record in the dark. I'll fix it soon. And this is what the final effect looks like.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
Okay, time to clear out the garage. There's some stuff here, so I better get to work. As you can see, I remove half the floor to see if it's easy to demolish. It's surprisingly easy, so it's time to move the rest of the stuff and tear it down completely.
Cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame things. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing. I'm gonna keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, it all. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rocking boots and white tee, designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
And that was the last piece. Now I can finish demolishing the floor. The concrete is very cracked, so this side should go just as easily. Maybe we'll find some treasure underneath. I wasn't wrong. It may not be a treasure, but it's an interesting find. I hope we find the missing piece of this nut. And here it is. Unfortunately, the bottle is empty inside, but at least we have a complete set. We have finally reached the end of the demolition. Now it's time to measure how big the difference in level is to know how much stone I need to order. I took some measurements, including the highest and the lowest point of the garage. As you can see, the difference in level is huge, 21 centimeters between the lowest and the highest point. It needs to be leveled out a bit. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please let me know in the comments section below how I can improve my videos for you. Bye!